Most people learn how to power slide earlier on, but it has taken me 2 years to actually go for it. And the main reason is that the few times that I had tried, I would violently shoot across the board, and it kind of put me off.
Now that I've watched some tutorials by Skateboard Bruh, I feel better equipped to try them out again. Oh, I cut my hair. I know, you really don't have to tell me. So, from what I have gathered, you need to go fast, lean back, and kind of jerk into it. Right, I think the best warm-up trick would be the frontside 180. I am rusty today. I haven't skated in about a week, but I didn't think it would affect me so much. That's me. So I've been told that the front foot needs to be on the bolts and the back foot on the tail, and you need to have a wide stance. Let's try it standing. Yeah, I know it makes no sense to try this standing, but I just want to experiment with the foot placement. Pushing the back foot forward, so kind of kicking out. Why do I find this difficult? I'll gradually pick up speed. That's not really a proper power slide. Let's try and pick up more speed. Okay, not bad so far. I guess it was all in the technique. I must have been previously leaning too far forward. Lean back and kind of jerk into it. I love that word, jerk. Kind of jerk into it, push your front foot forward, your back foot in front of you, almost like you're doing a frontside 180. Let's try and do it with some more speed. Didn't really commit there. The only way to do them properly is to go with some speed, but the trouble is that the faster you go, the less you want to commit to it. I'm not leaning back. Oh, this is fast. Oh, this is... Oh. That felt kind of good. I know I got a bit of a slide. I think I wasn't parallel enough. Parallel? Yeah, I didn't push my back foot far forward enough, but I did get a little slide. I'm gonna keep going and go faster. Let's see if I can get a proper slide in. You know what? This might be my new favorite thing to do. I can't believe I've been neglecting this for all this time. All right, let's try and go faster. And you know what? It could be a transferable skill. I mean, actually, it's obviously a transferable skill into other sports like snowboarding, because it's kind of the same movements when you want to stop and turn, maybe even surfing. So yeah, go out and power slide. Yeah, that felt good. I think that was my best one yet. Those power slides were super fun. They may not seem like much, but not bad for the first day. Well, it's not the first day, I've tried it before, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's continue with the power slide into fakie, but I only have about 20 minutes to get some because I have to go to work. Yeah, I got a job. Scary. Scary. Between you and me, I don't think my new job knows that I don't know Spanish. At the moment, I'm just smiling and nodding my head to everything, and it's getting me by, but I don't know how long that's going to last. Oh, my wheels have gone yellow. That felt good. All right, bang on time because I need to go to my new job. Yeah, if anybody wants to do a language exchange, I can offer my English services and you can teach me Spanish. Left my mark. It's time to go. Oh, one day I'm gonna do this drop. Yeah, I don't really need to do stuff like that, but I guess it's because I'm having a midlife crisis. So I'm really happy about my new job, mainly because it's a cool company and I've got a flexible shift schedule. So it means that I can still, you know, follow the dream of becoming a filmmaker. So I'm not really afraid of sharing my dreams. The only thing that I'm afraid of is not trying. As long as I try, I don't really need to succeed. I'm more interested in the journey and having a purpose. And I feel like my purpose in life is to pursue something creative. I'm a 30-year-old man who is pursuing his dreams, but now that I've hit 30, I don't feel like 30 is old at all. I feel like my life has just begun. I feel like everything before 30 is just practice. You're just learning things and figuring out things. I mean, you could still figure out things past 30, but once you hit 30, you have a pretty good idea of what you want to do. Anyway, this is getting too deep. I just wanted to share some of my thoughts. By the way, the online skate competition is still on, where you guys are sending me your clips and I will make an online skate part. Instructions for the skate part is in my previous video. Once I have gathered enough clips, I'll start the editing process. I believe the editing process will take some time because I want to do a good job. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.